Hi sweet friends, so I got hair mail. I want to open it with you. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing with you guys, and I've been watching so many of you do your unboxings, and time has just been passing by so fast, and I just never have time to seem to do an unboxing. And if you have never bought a wig from CSC, Chelsey Smith Crowns, then you do not know how hard it is to open these boxes. So let's go ahead and see what is inside. Oops. There we go. Got my Hey Gorgeous, and it was packed by Savannah. Thank you, Savannah. Now, I bought this during the mega sale that Chelsey had. So one of them is going to be what was left because I joined late and I didn't get to have the option of all of them. I was at work, but I did get one that was the mega live and one that I just had in my cart forever. I have two in here. And I also purchased my shampoo and conditioner. Oh, you'll always get a free gift. I'm not sure what this is. So you'll always get your free gift, and you will also always get your wig caps. And I also got some business cards. I love those. You'll get your packing slip, and I got, ooh, nice, magazine. I love this. Yes, thank you. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, cute. So it's a little bag. It has some hearts on it, really stylish and very cute, and it's really soft. So let's see what's in bag number one. I just love that sound. So if you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is Tula in the muted apricot. She's no longer on the website, but she is a really pretty crown. Okay, what is this one? I think this is the one that was part of the mega, oops, part of the mega live sale. She's staticky. So this is Bryony, Sand, and Sable, petite. She's pretty. Look at those colors. Really pretty. And she was one that stayed on the website for the mega sale a little longer than the others. Maybe there was more stock, but she's really pretty. Let's get her on. She's good, and I always have Chelsey, if I can remember, I always like to have them cut the lace for me. Oh, she's pretty. This is Bryony in the Sand and Sable, and I've never had this color before. It's a pretty color. Look at the hairline, guys. Really good. Okay, for number two. Now this girl is still on the website, and she's on the website in a lot of different colors. Now if you shop CSC and you are looking for an affiliate, you can use code and you'll save 10%, and you'll help me out as an affiliate. Now this is Marla. She's a long one. She's beautiful. I have had her in my cart, and when this one, when Chelsey had the mega sale, I was like, I'm just gonna purchase her. This is not the Crown Stay. This is Marla Sand, what is it? Sandy Beaches, petite. And she's still available, petite, standard, and large, and there are a lot. So if this is not a color that you like, there's probably like 6 different colors on the website. Free parting, your combs, your added band. I am a girly who loves the added band. You can remove that if you want to. Let's get her on. Ooh. She is pretty. Love the coloring. Sandy Beaches. And she's got these little shorter pieces right here just to give you a little more style. And then some longer layers. She's still on the website, guys, remember. So if you like longer, layered, straighter styles, which are really easy to take care of, she's still on the website in a lot of different colors. But this one I did check, and she's still available in petite, standard, and large. I think one of the funnest things for me is hair mail. So thank you guys for watching. And remember, if you want to shop CSC, you can use code and it's going to save you 10%.